Hello juniors, I hope you're well. I hope you've had a good week or a good weekend, depending on when you're watching this. I've come outside for a kind of special assembly today, partly because I'm very excited that I am talking to you about the fact that so many more of you are able to come back to school next week. We've had reception year 1 and year 6 back for 3 weeks now, and they have loved being back at school, and I know the rest of you will be really keen to come back too. So I'm just going to talk you through and walk you through some of the things that you'll notice that are a little bit different, and that's going to start with what you see when you arrive in the car park, because there's a queuing system. You may have got used to this in the supermarkets, garden centres, wherever you've been, and each bubble, because that's what we're starting to talk about each class group as a bubble, you all have a special place to line up outside the school, and when you reach the front of the line, get my camera in the right place, you will reach a sign that says please wash your hands and wait to be called forward. Here, one of the teachers will check your temperature using a little thing that they point at your forehead, so it doesn't actually touch you, and you'll be told that your temperature is okay for you to come to school, and if not, then Jen, the nurse, will be here to talk to you and to your parent. So then you'll come in and you'll have different gates you'll be entering the school through, and you'll see from the first time you arrive, reception year 1 and year 6 know this very well, you have special doors to go in to find your own room, and that room stays as your room for pretty much the whole time you're here, but there will be lots of outdoor play. Morning breaks, everyone will be using the back lawn, the field, apart from year 1, and each bubble has their own place marked on the back lawn that they will stay in. The weather forecast is looking really good for next week, so you'll probably be having your packed lunches outside on the back lawn with your teachers, and plenty of time for playing outdoors as much as we can possibly get you out there. That's as much as I want to talk to you about today. Just to let you know though that teachers are really excited to be seeing more of you back in school, and it'll be wonderful for us to finish the school year with almost everybody back in the juniors just for those last 2 weeks. It's what we've been waiting for, and let's make it really special. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care.